implant project aimed to treat PTSD and traumatic brain injuries, using deep brain stimulation to regulate emotions and cognitive function. The project raised significant ethical concerns. Experts worried about misuse for enhancing combat abilities or controlling thoughts. The DARPA case highlights the importance of ethical considerations in brain technology. Chapter 4, OpenAI's GPT-3, From Misfire to Milestone. GPT-3, OpenAI's powerful language model, has a fascinating story that illustrates how even AI failures can lead to unexpected breakthroughs. When OpenAI first released GPT-3, it was met with a mix of awe and apprehension. Here was an AI that could generate human-quality text, translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. However, it also had a tendency to generate biased, offensive, or factually incorrect information, which raised concerns about its potential misuse. One of the early applications of GPT-3 was in chatbots. These early GPT-3-powered chatbots often went off the rails, generating nonsensical responses, making inappropriate jokes, or even expressing harmful opinions. OpenAI learned from these mistakes and implemented stricter content filters, bias detection tools, and human oversight to mitigate the risks associated with GPT-3's capabilities. Chapter 5, Neuralink's Human Trials, A Bump in the Road? Neuralink has hit a roadblock in its quest to merge minds and machines. In early 2023, the FDA rejected Neuralink's application for human trials. Safety concerns included the device's lithium battery, potential wire migration within the brain, and the challenge of safe removal. Neuralink is addressing these concerns to make its implant safe for human testing. The road to merging human brains with AI is long and filled with challenges. Outro, the future of AI and neural interfaces. That's it for today's video on AI's neural interface fails. From Neuralink's pig demo to Facebook's brain-reading ambitions and DARPA's ethical dilemmas, we've seen how the quest to merge minds and machines is fraught with challenges, surprises, and even a few oops moments along the way. These fails are not necessarily failures in the traditional sense, but rather opportunities to learn, adapt, and ultimately create safer and more effective technologies. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious.